Hello, welcome to the Vibe Sync interaction video series. This is the first video as though you just bought a toy and just downloaded the app and are ready to make a connection for the first time. We're going to click in on the Vibe Sync app. We are going to click on Add Device. And as you saw for a quick moment, it was saying make sure your device is turned on, which I had it turned on. So actually it has already found it. So we're just going to click on the toy itself, connect device, and close. We are now connected. It is as simple as that. In this video, we have already connected our toy and we would just like to start playing with it locally. So I'm going to click in on my Vibe Sync app. Now, one quick thing. I already had the toy on when I went into the app, which is why you can see it saying Lyra connected and you can see the play button. I'm going to actually turn it off right now. When I turn the toy off, it still recognizes that I've got something that I've connected at least once, but it knows it's not on. So we're going to turn the toy back on. We're going to click on press to connect, and now we're connected again. The interface is very simple. You're just going to hit the play button, and then at the bottom right, hit the play button again. There are 10 levels of power on the steady on. So as you can see, we're at 6, we're at 7. When you want to switch to one of the patterns, you just press the button. Down at the bottom on the right, there are 3 speed levels for each pattern. So it's very simple to switch between different things. At this point, if you're done playing, you can either hit the stop button at the bottom on the right, or it will stop vibrating as soon as you hit that X on the top and bring yourself back to the home screen. That is it. What we are going to do in this video is we are going to connect a brand new toy, and then we are going to share it with somebody else. So as you can see, I've gotten into the Vibe Sync app. I am going to turn on the toy that I have here with me. I'm going to click Add Device. It's already found it. There's my Lyra. I'm going to click on Connect Device and close. And as you can see, it is there right now. It says Lyra and it says connected. Now, if you already had one connected, you could just start from this point. What I'm going to do right now to get somebody else to be able to interact with my product, I'm going to click on Invite Partner. I'm going to choose the toy that I want to connect, and I'm going to send an invitation to the person, the email address of the person I want to connect with. Sorry, I do miss my buttons. Okay, so I'm going to hit Send Invite. Now, basically what the person on the other side, see how it says Success Invite Sent? See how there's a 1 up at the bell at the app right now? That is someone else having sent me a connection. I have now sent a connection over. There we go. If you see right now, so that person just accepted it. And so that's why right now what you're seeing is Lyra connected sharing. That means that that person could connect to my physical toy that's here with me. Now, what that person saw on that side, we're going to click on the bell right now. This is them having sent me an invitation from their physical toy. So I'm going to hit accept. So what the person on the other side sees, see down at the bottom, it says shared with me. I'm going to connect with partner. And as you can see, the interface for me working with somebody else's toy is exactly the same as me working with a toy locally. So I could just hit play. I could move around. If I X out, then I'm back out to the main screen. Now, if I no longer want to interact with that other person's toy, all I would do is click on the X, forget device. I'm going to say yes. And now they're gone. I'm no longer connected to them. And then I'm now going to disconnect them. So see, again, Lyra connected sharing. I no longer want them to have connection. I'm just going to click on the 3 dots. I'm going to click on stop sharing. And now that sharing is gone. And now it is only me that can do it. If I wanted to connect them up, I would do the exact same step. So I've already downloaded the app. I'm going to go into it right now. As you can see, it's basically how it would be when you first get it. Nothing is connected to it. I do have one of our Vibe Sync products here with me. I am going to turn that on right now. And then I am going to click on Add Device. And as you see at this moment, it is not finding it. So what I am going to do, I'm actually glad that happened. Sometimes that will happen. I am going to actually close it, go back into it, having already turned the toy on. Click Add Device. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, I'm kind of glad that happened because sometimes you just have to get back out and go back in. So I am going to now, it has found our Lyra. I am going to connect to it, hit Connect Device, and close. Now we are connected. I'm going to also show I'm going to turn off the device. And as you see now it says press to connect. So it still understands it has been connected to this, but it knows it is not on. I am now going to turn the toy back on. I'm going to hit press to connect. And now again, we are connected. So it is just that easy to get yourself connected. What I'm also going to do at this moment is I'm going to click on the 3 dots. I'm going to tell it forget device so that it is acting like, again, brand new. I'm going to turn the device off, turn it back on, hit add device. And this is what you would normally see. It immediately finds it. You tell it connect and then close, and bam, we are now connected